Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Yoga for Bodybuilders designed to help you recover after an intense workout. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's start by coming into a seated position and we'll begin with a head to knee pose. So let's start by extending our right leg out long. Our left foot can just hug into our right thigh, keeping this right foot flexed. On your next inhale, let's bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that right leg and then melt it forward. Really breathing into the back of the right leg here. And on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release, roll it back up. From here, let's take it over to the other side. So extending our left leg long, hugging our right foot into our left thigh, keeping this left foot flexed. On your next inhale, let's bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that left leg, and then exhale, melt it forward. Again, really breathing into the back of the left leg here. And then on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release. From here, we'll make our way into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as our mats, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, just start to walk your hands out long in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat. Really breathe into the shoulders and the back body here. And now from here, let's just walk our hands just off the left side of our mat and come to a child's pose here. So you should feel a really nice stretch on the right side body. let's do the same thing, walking our hands just off the right side of our mats and feeling a nice stretch on the left side body here. And on your next exhale, just come back to center. From here, let's shift forward. We'll come into a high cobra. So let's stack our hands right underneath our shoulders, keeping our fingers spread wide, extending the legs out long behind you. And from here, just pushing yourself up, opening up the chest, opening up the heart. Keep your core just slightly engaged. Make sure to breathe. Option to look over your left shoulder. And then again, option to look over your right shoulder. Come back to center if you're not there. And then from here on your next exhale, let's curl the toes, shift the hips up, coming into a downward facing dog. And feel free to pedal out your feet once you get here. Again, really breathing into the back of the legs here. And then when you're ready, let's find a nice neutral position. We'll hang out here for a few breaths. And now from here, let's heel toe, walk our feet up right behind our hands. And we'll take another forward fold here. Bend your knees as much as you like here. And then on your next inhale, let's slowly but surely start to roll it up. Again, keeping your knees bent here. Stacking the spine one vertebrae at a time. The chin is the last to lift. Coming into a mountain pose. Great job, you guys. Now from here, let's bring our feet as wide as your mat and we'll come into a yogi squat. So let's place our hands together at our hearts. Hands are actively pushing into one another. And then from here, let's sink down, coming into a nice squat, sinking all the way down. Try and keep your spine as straight as you can here. Opening up the hips. And on your next exhale, let's make our way onto our backs. Take your time getting there. And then once we do get here, we'll take a half happy baby. So let's start with our right leg. So let's extend our left leg out long and let's bring our right foot up and grab a hold of the right foot with your right hand. Bringing the sole of the right foot up towards the ceiling. The left hand can just rest on your left hip or by your side. As always, make sure to breathe. Exhale, release the half happy baby, and we'll hug our right knee into our chest here, and from here we'll take a supine twist. So guiding our right knee over to the left side, your right arm can come into a T or a cactus, And in the supine twist, really make sure to keep both shoulders firmly rooted in the mat. So if your right shoulder is coming up off the mat like this, see if you can just dial it back a bit so your right shoulder is firmly rooted in the mat here. Exhale, mindfully bring it back to center, and we'll just take that same little sequence on the other side. So let's take a half happy baby with our left foot. So grabbing a hold of the outside of the left foot with your left hand, bringing the left sole of the left foot up towards the ceiling. Right hand can rest on your right hip or just down by your side. Exhale, release the half happy baby, and from here let's hug our left knee into our chest, and we'll take a supine twist on this side. So from here, guiding that left knee over to the right, the left arm can come into a T or a cactus. Again, make sure this left shoulder is firmly rooted in the mat here. Exhale, bring it back to center. From here, we'll come into a reclined butterfly. So let's simply bring the soles of the feet together, letting the hips open up, letting the knees open up. A couple options with your hands. You can have one hand on your belly, the other one on your heart, or you can have both hands just rest by your sides. I encourage you to close your eyes here. Just come back to your breath. And now on your next exhale, let's extend the legs O long, extend the arms O long, coming into our final pose, Shavasana. Letting the mind and the body reap all the benefits from today's practice and your workouts. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up, coming into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. I recommend you come back to this video after your workouts or maybe the day after to help you recover. And from here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.